Hi guys, welcome to Food and Living, and in this video you will be watching how to make this yummy, tasty, moist and spongy mango rava or sooji cake. It can be prepared in a jiffy and is very tasty, and since it is mango season, I think preparing this is a must at least once. I would urge you to definitely try it once. And the ingredients are very simple: 1 cup mango puree, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, sooji 1 cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, and sugar and cardamom powder half cup, and then melted butter 1/4 cup, milk and saffron about a pinch, and almonds chopped, and flour for dusting. These are very simple ingredients needed, for which you'll also grease and dust the pan. And to start the preparation, we'll take a deep mixing bowl. Into that we'll start adding rava or sooji. You can take medium or thin rava here. I have taken medium, and into this I'm adding sugar powder, and in the sugar powder itself I've also added cardamom. You can also add it over it, and then this is baking powder. Mix it so that all the lumps are broken and there are no any lumps. So it is good if you can add the dry ingredients first and then mix in the or add in the wet ingredients. Now into it I've added melted butter 1/4 cup, and if it is very dry, you can also add a little bit of extra milk, or a tablespoon of curd also will do. Into this I'm adding mango puree. This is also mango, which is very sweet, so I'm taking sugar accordingly. If it is a little sour, you can add a little extra sugar as well. And now I'm adding also vanilla essence. Again, this is optional, but for that extra flavor you can definitely add it, and the flavor will be enhanced. So mix it and allow it to stand for about 20 minutes, so that everything is soaked and it is moist. Rava is soaking all the moisture and you will have a moist cake. Now since we have already greased our pan, into this we'll add this rested batter, cake batter, and then allow it to bake in the oven. Or if you don't have oven, you can also use your cooker as oven. You can also visit my blogs to know how you can use that. I am using this oven, and this is preheated at 180 degrees for 10 minutes, and now I am again setting it for 30 minutes, and the heating coils on both the sides. So timer is 30 minutes. If it is not cooked, even after 30 minutes, you can keep it for another 5 minutes, and if the knife or a toothpick is coming out clean, then your cake will be baked. So as you can see, it is baked, and the stick is very clean. So now you know it is baked, and allow it to cool completely, and then invert it on a plate, and you see a very nice good looking cake is ready, and it is just as tasty. And you can decorate it, or you can also frost or ice it as per your wish. I have chopped mango slices and made them into roses and have refrigerated it, and then I'll be placing them on the cake just so that it looks very appealing. And I have also added or garnished it with almonds which are sliced, and you can also use some cherry or any other dry fruits of your choice. You can also use cream or any kind of frosting that you like to do. So this is how easy and tasty it is. I hope you like the video, and please do like, share and subscribe to Food and Living, and do comment and let me know.